Hello, welcome to the third episode of Cilantro. Today we are gonna cook popcorn chicken, something that everybody loves from kids to adults, something that is very easy to cook and you can impress anyone with this simple recipe that I'm gonna tell you. There are two parts by which I'm gonna do this. First is we're gonna cook the dipping sauce and then the chicken, because the chicken part is like quite easy and the dipping sauce is very important because this adds the sweet part to that, and the chicken is gonna be a little bit hot. So the first part of the cooking is making the sauce, the dipping sauce. It's gonna be very simple. I just added a cup of water which has been boiling for a while. It's now been warm. And some garlic to this. The sauce is gonna brew for some time until it gets the consistency of the dipping sauce, which is kinda thick compared to this. Welcome to the second part of the cooking process, which is we're gonna cut this chicken into cube-sized pieces and then we're gonna marinate it and then we're gonna refrigerate that. The size of the cube has to be somewhere around a little more of the first finger line, so this I believe, yeah, so it's an approximate measurement, so go for it. So we're gonna marinate the chicken, and at first we are adding some Greek yogurt to this.